Everybody keeps talking about this 2-hour workday and how they're making 5 figures every single month just by following this 2-hour workday, but what is it really? I'm going to show you one of the income producing activities that I do every single day during my 2-hour workday, and I did make 5 figures last month, so I'm going to show you exactly how easy this is. If you can do something as simple as copy and paste, you too can be successful in this business. So I'm going to flip my camera around and let's get into it. When we talk about posting ads, this is what we're doing. So because I've already posted these ads once before, and you're going to post this same ad over and over and over again, because you're not necessarily going to see results from day one. But once you have this in, if you use Chrome, you've got everything that's going to auto-populate. I'm going to slide my image over there. I'm going to choose what city and state this one is going to. It literally cannot be any easier than this. And I post 30 ads a day. This is so fast. So if you realize how fast you can post one ad, imagine how quickly you can get 30 of them done. And then you have the rest of the day to do whatever it is that you want. Boom, done. I'm posting ads into 30 cities every single day. So that takes me a little bit of time, but as you can see how fast it was to just do one. So that frees up the rest of my 2 hours to do even more income producing activities should I choose to, because I am going to be one of these 6-figure earners. If you want to know exactly what it is that I'm doing and exactly the program that teaches you how to do that 2-hour workday, drop a comment down below because we're giving you the recipe to 10K in May. That has started today. Recipe to 10K has started in May today. That rhymes. Drop it in the comments and I'll send it over to you.